How to achieve natural beauty. You can do better than loading on layers of makeup and hair products. Respect your natural beauty to achieve a fresh and healthy appeal using several easy methods. You will need water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, mayonnaise, rosemary essential oil, sunlight, moisturizer, makeup, a pumice stone or emery board, and Epsom salts. Step 1. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and youthful. Step 2. Rinse your hair in lemon juice and water to lighten and beautify your hair, clarifying it with a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar. Repair hair ends by massaging mayonnaise into them and covering your hair with a shower cap for 15 minutes to an hour before rinsing. The vinegar smell will dissipate quickly. Step 3. Thicken your hair by putting a couple drops of rosemary essential oil on your hairbrush before brushing. Step 4. Get outdoors at least 20 minutes a day for the fresh look it gives the skin and for the healthy dose of vitamin D you get from sunlight. Step 5. Moisturize before bed to keep the natural beauty of your skin. Wear pajamas and socks to bed to lock in the moisture while you sleep. Before bed, dab white toothpaste on any pimples to shrink them. Don't take too long or too hot a bath, both of which can dry your skin. Step 6. Rely on eye makeup shades that match or complement your skin tone. Liven your eyes with a shimmery highlight along the inner corners and rims of the lower lids to add some sparkle. Step 7. Use a light-colored cream, gel, or mousse blush for sheer coverage. The shade should approximate a flush, truer-to-skin tone. Select a cream formula lipstick in a natural lip hue as well to achieve a natural beauty. Step 8. Add vinegar to hot water in a small tub and soak your feet for 30 minutes every day. Remove corns with a pumice stone or emery board while your feet are soaking. Step 9. Eat foods with essential fatty acids, which are important for beautiful skin. A deficiency of EFA can result in acne, seborrhea, redness, eczema, frequent infections, and slow wound healing. Eliminate any unnecessary medications to stem the accumulation of toxins that can undermine your natural radiance. Step 10. Use the last hours of the evening to wind down. Avoid sugar, caffeine, and alcohol to get a good night's sleep and prevent baggy eyes. Did you know? The YWCA reported in 2008 that U.S. women spent $7 billion a year on beauty products, an average of nearly $100 a month per woman.
How to avoid makeup men hate. Don't scare off men with your makeup. Here's how to avoid the looks guys despise. You will need a light touch, muted colors, and healthy eyebrows. Optional, eyelash growing treatment. Step 1. Don't wear heavy foundation that looks like it was applied with a spatula. Do choose a color that matches your skin tone. A different colored cheek and neck appalls men and women alike. Step 2. Avoid lipstick colors that are nowhere near the shade of actual lips. If you use a lip pencil, make sure it matches your lipstick perfectly. Men don't like lips whose outline they can see from a mile away. Step 3. Don't overpluck your eyebrows and then pencil in thin ones. Most men find that look about as appealing as a unibrow. The products that help eyelashes grow can also be used on eyebrows. Step 4. Apply blush with a light touch. When men see crazy red cheeks, they think of their great Aunt Ethel. Step 5. Smoky eye makeup can be sexy, but don't go overboard. Many men think it's only a good look for a panda. Step 6. Don't even think about blue eyeshadow unless it's very subtle. Most men find bright blue eye makeup clownish, especially when it's paired with the previous no-nos. So, can we get you a washcloth? Did you know? 20% of men wish their partner would wear less makeup, according to one survey.
How to bust common beauty myths. Stop wasting time, money, and energy on misguided measures and learn to separate fact from fiction. You will need the facts about beauty treatments and sunscreen. Optional, astringent with alpha hydroxy or glycolic acid. Step 1. Don't bother downing 8 glasses of water a day if you're only doing it to keep your skin moist. Contrary to popular belief, drinking water does nothing to prevent dry skin. Step 2. Realize that moisturizing does not prevent wrinkles because dry skin does not cause wrinkles. What it can do is make very fine lines a little less obvious, temporarily. Step 3. Toss your alcohol-based astringent if you think it's making your pores smaller. Pore size is genetically determined, so while applying astringent may make them feel tighter, all you're really doing is drying out your skin. Products containing alpha-hydroxy acid or glycolic acid can puff up the skin around pores, temporarily making them look smaller without overly drying skin. Step 4. Start using anti-aging creams at 20, not 35 or 40. 20 is when your skin starts to break down. Sunscreen is the best anti-aging product you can use. Step 5. Run from tanning beds. Not only are they not safer than lying in the sun, they dramatically increase your risk of getting skin cancer. Step 6. Know that vitamin E isn't a magical potion. Rubbing it into scars won't necessarily make them fade any more than regular moisturizer will, and experts say that active massaging works just as effectively. If you've got scars you really want to get rid of, talk to your doctor about laser treatments. Step 7. Skip the facials. Most dermatologists say they don't prevent damage or do much of anything for your skin that regular exfoliating won't accomplish. Did you know Americans spend more on beauty than on education every year?
How to look more exotic. Revamp your look from boring and ordinary to intriguing and unusual with a few styling tips. You will need hair color or extensions, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and black mascara, a lip pencil, lipstick, and gloss, colorful clothing, and bold jewelry. Optional, wavy or messy hair, and colored contact lenses. Step 1. Consider dyeing your hair a dark color if light or a light color if it's darker. Use a wig or clip-in hair extensions for a less permanent option. Wavy or tousled hair makes you look alluring and unpredictable. Step 2. Add mystery with smoky eyes. Sweep on dark shadow and use black eyeliner to rim the upper and lower lids. Use dark liner just past the outer corners of your eyes and finish with several coats of black mascara. Keep the rest of your makeup neutral. Step 3. Wear a sexy pout. Use a neutral colored lip pencil slightly outside your natural lip line and fill it in with a slightly lighter lip color. Then top your lips with a clear or golden gloss. Step 4. Wear eye-catching, bright, colorful clothing and accessories. Silk and other lightweight fabrics can help to accentuate the look. Step 5. Wear bold jewelry that features beads, natural stones, feathers, large hoops, or stacks of bangles. Did you know? About 24 states ban exotic pets, usually defined as any animal that is not a dog, cat, fish, horse, or rabbit.
How to save money on your beauty routine. You don't have to compromise your looks to economize. You just have to know a few tricks. You will need mascara, dollar store conditioner, petroleum jelly, olive oil, sugar, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, a lip brush, cotton swabs, and the occasional splurge. Optional, men's shaving cream. Step 1. Buy expensive mascara just once. After it runs out, wash and save the brush. The main difference between mascaras is the wand, not the makeup. Apply new, cheaper mascara with the brush that comes with it. Then use your old one to fluff and separate your lashes. A dried out mascara wand also makes a great eyebrow brush. Step 2. Replace your shaving cream with dollar store hair conditioner. It works every bit as well. Or use a brand made for men. They're usually less expensive. Get an unscented one if you don't want a manly fragrance. Step 3. Buy a big jar of generic petroleum jelly. It can serve as clear lip gloss, lip balm, makeup remover, under-eye moisturizer, and foot and hand cream. If you have just a smidgen of lipstick left in the tube, mix it with petroleum jelly and use as lip gloss. Step 4. Use olive oil as a multitasker. To condition hair, rub 1 tablespoon on scalp, wrap in a warm towel, and let it sit for 20 minutes before shampooing out. For silky skin, pour some into your bath water. To turn it into an exfoliant, just add some sugar. Step 5. Plump your lips for pennies by mixing a sprinkle of cayenne pepper or cinnamon with a dab of petroleum jelly and applying to lips. It will irritate them just enough to temporarily swell them. Step 6. Use up every bit of your cosmetics. Get the last smidgen of lipstick out of the tube with a lip brush. Revitalize a dried out mascara tube with a few drops of hot water. Use a cotton swab to get into the crevices of little pots of eye cream or lip balm. Step Step 7. Splurge on one or two extravagances. Women cannot live on cheap cosmetics alone. Did you know? Women spend an average of $471 per year on personal care, while men spend about $193.
How to stay cool looking in the summer heat. Get the information you need on how to stay cool looking in the summer heat. You will need a smart looking t-shirt, translucent powder, lots of water, sunscreen with SPF 30, sunglasses, and bobby pins. Optional, lipstick. Step 1. Dress in lightweight and light colored clothing such as a smart looking t-shirt. Looking cool starts with feeling cool. Step 2. Try a natural look. Apply a thin layer of translucent powder instead of liquid foundation. Step 3. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin well hydrated and glowing. Step 4. Use a sunscreen with SPF 30 to avoid sunburn, which is definitely not cool. Wear bold shades of lipsticks with metallic gloss to achieve a sexy summer look. Step 5. Add jumbo-framed sunglasses to complete your cool look. Nothing says cool like a stylish pair of sunglasses. Step 6. Bare your shoulders by wearing long hair up in a loose bun. Gather a ponytail into 2 sections and wrap them into small buns, the second in an opposite direction around the first. Bobby pin them in place and don't worry if they're too loose. The more effortless it looks, the better. Did you know some summer fruits, including pineapple and papaya, contain enzymes that help balance oily skin and slough off dead skin?
How to deflate puffy eyes fast. So you woke up looking like you've gone 12 rounds. Here's how to deflate your puffy peepers pronto. You will need a cucumber, cold water, tea bags, tissue, cold milk, cotton balls, and a bag of frozen baby peas. Optional, ice cubes. Step 1. Cut 2 slices of cucumber, place them in a bowl of ice water for 5 minutes, and then put 1 on each eye for 10 minutes. Cucumbers have compounds that soothe, reducing swelling. Step 2. Dip 2 tea bags in cold water for 1 minute, squeeze them, wrap them in tissue, and place 1 on each eye for 5 minutes. The caffeine and tannins in tea are both astringents that reduce puffiness. Sleeping on 2 or 3 pillows keeps fluids from pooling under your eyes, preventing puffiness before it starts. Step 3. Pour very cold milk onto 2 cotton balls and apply them to your eyes for about 15 minutes. Many of the components of milk, such as lactic acid, vitamins A and D, and proteins, calm swollen skin. Step 4. Gently massage both your upper and lower eyelids with your fingertips for a few minutes, which will break up the fluids trapped around your eyes. Don't just rub, which can make puffiness worse. If puffy eyes are a frequent problem, try cutting back on salty foods and alcohol. Both make you retain fluids. Step 5. Splash your eyes with very cold water several times, or dunk a washcloth in cold water and place it on your eyes for a few minutes. If you can stand it, put some ice cubes in the washcloth. The cold helps drain the fluid. Step 6. Grab a bag of frozen baby peas, let it thaw for several minutes, and put it on your eyes. Those little peas will settle into the nooks and crannies around your eyes, getting the cold right to the source. Wrap a soft, thin cloth around the plastic package to protect your skin from the packaging. Did you know Audrey Meadows was considered too pretty for the role of Alice in The Honeymooners, so she had photos taken with puffy eyes and no makeup, and won the role?